Have you ever met someone who just doesn't break? Bad news hits them and they stay calm. Life gets hard and they get harder. People look at them like, how? Are they born like that? No, nobody is born unbreakable. It's built. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to build it. By the end of this video, you're going to think differently about pain, about failure, about discomfort. And if you actually use what I'm about to share, people around you are going to start asking, what happened to you? Let's get into it. Here's something nobody tells you. Most of the pain you feel isn't physical, it's mental. Your brain is wired to protect you from effort. It wants you comfortable, safe, and lazy, because for thousands of years, that's what kept humans alive. Don't waste energy. Don't take risks. Rest when you can. But that wiring is now working against you. Every time you want to quit a workout, skip the hard task, or avoid the uncomfortable conversation, that's not weakness talking. That's just old programming. And the good news is, you can rewire it. Here's the truth most people never learn. The mind doesn't get strong by avoiding hard things. It gets strong by doing them anyway. Every single time you choose discomfort over comfort, you're sending a signal to your brain. I can handle more than I thought. Do that enough times, and your brain starts believing it. That belief is what mental strength actually is. Before we build anything, we need to clear out what's blocking you. There are 3 habits that quietly destroy mental strength, and almost everyone does at least one of them without noticing. Number 1. Complaining. Complaining feels good for about 10 seconds, but it trains your brain to focus on what's wrong instead of what you can fix. Every time you complain instead of acting, you get a little weaker. Number 2. Blaming. Blaming other people, bad luck, your past, your circumstances. The second you blame something outside yourself, you give away your power. Strong minds ask one question only. What can I do right now? Number 3. Waiting to feel ready. Nobody ever feels ready. Not for the hard workout, not for the scary conversation, not for the big decision. Waiting for readiness is just a polite way of staying stuck. Cut these 3 things out, and you've already removed most of what keeps people weak. Now, let's build. These 4 habits, done daily, will change how your brain handles pressure within weeks. Habit 1. Do one hard thing every morning before anything else. It doesn't have to be huge. A cold shower, a tough workout, 10 minutes of focused work you've been avoiding. The goal isn't the task itself. The goal is teaching your brain, first thing in the day, that you do hard things on purpose. That sets the tone for everything after. Habit 2. Move your body daily. This isn't about looking good. Physical strain is one of the fastest ways to build mental tolerance for discomfort. When you push through a tough set or a long run, you're practicing the exact skill you need when life gets tough, continuing even when it's uncomfortable. Habit 3. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. No phone, no music, just you and your thoughts. Most people can't do this without reaching for a distraction. That's a problem, because if you can't sit with your own mind in silence, you definitely can't sit with it during a crisis. 5 minutes a day trains your mind to stay steady instead of panicking the moment things get quiet or uncertain. Habit 4. Review your day honestly. Before bed, ask yourself, where did I take the easy way out today? Not to feel guilty, just to notice. Awareness is the first step to change. Most people repeat the same weak patterns for years simply because they never stop to look at them. Here's something that separates strong minds from everyone else. It's not that they don't feel anger, fear, or stress. They feel all of it. The difference is what happens in the 3 seconds after the feeling hits. Most people react instantly. Someone says something rude, and they snap back. Something goes wrong, and they panic. That's the emotion driving the car. A strong mind creates a gap. Feel the emotion, take one slow breath, and then choose your response. That tiny pause is everything. It's the difference between reacting like a victim and responding like someone in control. Try this the next time something upsets you. Don't speak. Don't react. Just breathe and count to 5 in your head. You'll be shocked how much clearer your next move becomes. Nobody who has ever built anything worth having got there without failing first. Not athletes, not business owners, not anyone you respect. Failure isn't proof that something is wrong with you. It's proof that you're actually trying. The people who never fail are usually the people who never attempt anything risky. They play it safe their whole lives and call it stability. But deep down, they know they never tested themselves. So flip the way you see failure. Instead of fearing it, expect it. Plan for it. When it happens, treat it as information, not identity. You didn't fail as a person. One attempt didn't work. Adjust and go again. The only true failure is stopping for good. Motivation is unreliable. It shows up when it feels like it and disappears right when you need it most. If you wait to feel motivated before doing hard things, you'll stay stuck forever, because motivation almost never arrives on schedule. Discipline doesn't care how you feel. Discipline is doing the workout when you're exhausted, showing up when you're bored, finishing the task when no one's watching and no one would know if you quit. That is where real mental strength gets built, in the moments nobody sees. Stop chasing motivation. Build systems instead. Decide in advance what you'll do every day and do it regardless of mood. Small actions repeated daily compound into a completely different person within a year. Most people overestimate what they can do in a day and wildly underestimate what they can do in 12 months of consistency. A mind that scares people isn't loud, aggressive, or arrogant. It's quiet, calm under pressure, unmoved by chaos. The kind of person who stays steady while everyone around them panics. That's what makes people uncomfortable, in the best way. They can't rattle you anymore. You build that mind one choice at a time, choosing discomfort over comfort, choosing action over excuses, choosing discipline over motivation. None of it is complicated. It's just hard, and that's exactly why most people never do it. So here's your choice right now. Close this video and go back to your normal routine, or pick one habit from today and start it right now, not tomorrow. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe if you want more of this. Stay hard, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.